Hi you guys, good morning. Today is the daylight savings day, so we had to fall back, you know? So we slept in and had breakfast. This is actually my second coffee and I'm about to do some editing. So we're gonna go into my office right now. I'm probably gonna get myself together just a little bit, put a little face, fix my hair up a little, and yeah, try to be productive, get some stuff done today before we head into the work week. For my coffee, I just did some sweetened condensed milk, ice, double shot espresso, and topped it off with almond milk. I love using the sweetened condensed milk as my sweetener because it adds just such a fullness. Today's gonna be a pretty relaxing day for us. We're staying inside for the most part. It's a little gloomy out, so we're just gonna be chilling. It's football Sunday. Go Cards. Let's go to the office and get ourselves a little glam. So my desk, to be honest, is a bit cluttered. I haven't worked in here in probably like 2 weeks. I've been rewatching Emily in Paris, so I'm gonna put that on while I get things organized. Something with this hair. I'm gonna use this same curling that I used last night. I really like how the curls came out, just kind of beachy and effortless. So let's do that next. Okay, just easy peasy. I'm gonna go ahead and start editing, and I'll probably do that for at least 1 to 2 hours. Hi guys, it is today's Monday, 6 o'clock. We're out here gonna get a little workout, and it's been a bit since we played tennis, well before our vacation, so it was very much a Monday, so we need this, really need this good workout, good run. Give you guys a little tennis footage. Hopefully we're not too rusty. It's pretty warm out tonight, so I'm glad we came because it's gonna start getting cold soon. So we're taking advantage of the not so cold night. back home from playing tennis. I just got showered, so I'm just prepping some asparagus. I think we're gonna do some brown rice, asparagus. My husband's gonna have salmon, but I've got chicken that I'm gonna eat. Some olive oil. I don't usually add Parmesan, but since I have some, I'm like, ¿por qué no? ¿Tú sabes? These are gonna go in the oven. I do like 400, 415. I like them to cook on a really high temp because I like them to get really crispy. I'm waiting on the oven to heat up, and I'm gonna do some of this Trader Joe's organic brown rice. I usually do like homemade rice, you know, like the kind you gotta boil, but every now and then I do appreciate a good rice in a bag moment. I just have some shredded chicken that we boiled the other day. I'm gonna put that right on top of the rice. For some reason, boiled chicken.
Oh my God. Sorry.
We're watching the Suns game, by the way. I made some sauce. It's like a butter garlic sauce. I'm gonna put some of this right on top. And then of course, our Parmesan asparagus. This is my plate. And this is my husband, so we're about to eat dinner. I'll probably check in with you guys tomorrow. I can't see much else happening tonight, so thanks for hanging out with us today. And I will see you guys in the morning.
You right with the peppermint.
Thank you so much.
Good, all right?
All right. Hi, you guys. So it is about to be 10 o'clock. I just left the dentist. Hadn't been to the dentist in a year. We went to the dentist in Atlanta in the fall of 2021, but since we've been in Birmingham, I just have not found a dentist. So I did find a good one, found some great reviews, and I just had my first cleaning with them. It was such a great experience. We got us a Starbucks drink, and I haven't had a holiday drink yet, so I'm super excited to try it. I got a grande iced shaken espresso in a venti cup, extra peppermint mocha cold foam, honey. Oh, they broke the mold when they made that cold foam. I haven't drank it just yet. I'm gonna give my teeth a minute to. It's like you get your teeth clean. I don't want to eat or drink anything, so just have my water. I have to run into Publix to get some dog food, so I'm about to do that really quick. And then we're heading home to get some work done, so I'll check back in a little bit. Once we try our coffee, I will check back, let you guys know how I like it. We're home. I just pulled up in the driveway. Before I go in and deal with the chaos that is my two children in there, I want to try our drink. Oh, I didn't get a holiday cup. Peppermint mocha. I love it. All right, guys, we got our Sephora package in. So this is the purchase that I made from the holiday sales event. I am, what's the one in between where you only get 15%? I think I'm not Rouge. I'm the one below that. 15% isn't that big of a sale to me, so I only got a few things that I didn't think that I would be able to get otherwise, because, you know, with the holiday season, all of these brands pretty much go on sale anyways, and it's usually at least 20%. So I didn't get too much. First thing I got is this Clinique Moisture Surge overnight mask. So I've used this for probably the last 2 winters, and my skin gets pretty dry in the winter, so I do like having this extra boost of moisture. It works great. I love to wear it at night before bed. I put this on in addition to my CeraVe. So I do the CeraVe first and then I do this. It just leaves my skin feeling so hydrated. It's crazy how I immediately notice a difference as soon as the temperatures drop, how my skin just feels drier. So I know that it's time to start using this. Next thing I got is some Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. I just love this stuff. I think it's so good to have year round. It really works great. My skin agrees with it. and it's so important to have an SPF. My husband uses this, we both use it, we've used it for years, and I've repurchased this a bunch of times. So I actually am running low on my current one, so now is the perfect time to get some more. So this is a new, both of those products I have used before. So these next couple products are new. So this is a Summer Fridays Heavenly 16 All-in-One Face Oil. I've never used anything from Summer Fridays before. I know it's a really popular skincare brand. I've been in the market for a face oil, and this one had really great reviews. I just love the idea of extra hydration in the colder months. A restorative blend of 16 vegan oils, deeply conditions, plumps, and helps boost skin's elasticity. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants, its quick absorbing, luxurious formula delivers an instant infusion of moisture and radiance for healthy looking, glowing skin. So yes, I'm excited about this. I'm not usually a girl that goes after trends and goes after popular things, but something about this product I just kept seeing everywhere. And I'm like, you know what? If I'm ever gonna get it, it's gonna be now. So I got it. It is the Givenchy Prism Libre Loose Setting Powder. So I got the number 12 Lumiere. I think this is the light one. I didn't need this powder, but for whatever reason, I'm just like obsessed with buying face makeup right now, like powders and foundations. I just cannot get enough of them. So this one I was really interested in, and it's the holiday packaging, so I was even more convinced. It's like a little pillow. Wow, that's fancy, I can't lie. We're gonna see how it is and if the hype is real. And then I had quite a few points, so I cashed in for a couple of products. I got this Color Wow, I got the Security Shampoo and extra large Bombshell Volumizer. I love these for like travel, these mini products for travel. So I have like a travel basket in my closet that I keep all these small products in. So when it comes to traveling, I go in there, grab what I need. So this Color Security Shampoo, it's pretty good size for being mini. And then the extra large Bombshell Volumizer. So yeah, that's what we got from the Sephora sale. But I'm excited for these products. I'll keep you guys updated on the Summer Fridays and the Givenchy, let you know what I think as I use them. All right, well, thank you guys for watching this haul. Yeah, so I'll check in with you guys later or tomorrow.